Hey, hi ho, cat guys, I'm Tangar Game Glass, and today we continue our adventures in game development. So I am rookie PHP coder. I'm learning how to code in PHP, and last time together, me and you, we created this program which roll dices. It's poker dice actually, and we managed to copy paste it from the book, okay, and it worked. It's already good result. So today I want to continue. First I'll show you what I did already. So I'm learning in developing very simple programs, very simple games. So this program I did it last time. I did actually I created it from zero. From zero it was very hard, but I managed it somehow. Do not know how, because I have very low self-belief, because I just started coding and you just do not believe in yourself when you do something like this. So what is this program? Program itself, it guesses a number from 1 to 100. So it guesses a number and he give you possibilities to find this number. This is in Russian because I had Russian stream previous time. So and he said that okay, my number is less than 50, so you could try to guess it. You guess 25. He said, oh no, it's more than 25. Okay, 34. It's more than 34, then like 40, 45, but less than 45. So it's a simple game, less than 30, which give you possibility to find out a number. Yeah, it's like small game. And he say, you guessed a number after 8 attempts. Good work. So today what we will do, we will try to remake this program into something different. We would guess a number ourselves. We would guess a number, and program would try to understand what we guessed. Yeah, and what I also did, just want to show to you, it's just a counter which I made for training. Then it's thing which get this program, it get post max size from PHP ini, and it remake it into bytes from just number. It would be like this. So actually it's 100. Okay, let's make it like this. So it will be easier to understand what we have. So by default in post max size we have 100 megabytes, and this program it recount, it transfers this value into the bytes. It was actually also interesting. This is just a program which I learned how to create arrays, and it's just the beginning of my work with arrays. So I started arrays already. Then this is also training program, how to use cycle, and how to, with using cycle, show only not numbers which could be divided by 2. I do not know how it would be in English. 1 second. Нечетный. Only odd numbers. So odd numbers, and also a possibility to show hello world in vertical way. So also simple program, but it wasn't really easy when you're just starting these cycles. It's kind of. And this is my last program today. I created just today, also from zero, and it's like big achievement for me. Big achievement. This is table for multiplication. So you could say, okay, I want to create table for multiplication 15 to 10, for example, and it would draw this table. So he would multiply these numbers to these numbers. In Russian schools, we have to learn by heart this table of multiplication. So actually, it's like it was interesting program to create. I break my head while I tried to create this thing. It was a big challenge for me. I'm very newbie guy. So yeah. And today, what we would do, we would go back to this program, guess a number. So let's create. Actually, it's a game. It's a game. Guess a number. It's called. So let's start it. Hello guys, we are live. Please write your comments. Don't hesitate to do it. I'll be glad to speak with you, to discuss it. So, what do we need to do in this program? We have to create a game, guess a number. We would guess a number from 1 to 100, and computer has to guess. We would remember a number. We would just generate number in our head, and computer has to guess right answer. So we, as a user, what we would do, we would choose right. Is it right what computer say to us, or is it wrong? And he has to guess a number for less than 7 tries. Do not know, is it possible? Okay, what do we need to do here? It's interesting to create a program from zero. For me, I like such approach. I like to train, and the more repeat, the more train you get. So first we generate a number, and computer doesn't know it, but he could ask us a question. So he could we could choose, is this number bigger of what we choose or less? So let's create first this interface with input forms. So it would be like this. We would create form. I'm not really good with these input things. I do not remember them well, how to generate them. Input method, I think. Input method, input name and value. I guess that it's like this, but I do not remember. So maybe it's not a method. Okay, let's take a look. How it, input type. Okay, input type, name, value. So input type. How we would guess? I think we could create a checker, maybe, or not. Option. We would create an option. I also do not remember how to do it. It's these forms, but let's try. Okay, how we would learn if we wouldn't try such stuff. It has to be like something like I do not recall it at all. It was a very long time when I created these things. Okay, let's take a look. What is it? So one of my previous 4 2. Okay, I'm looking for the example. Oh, where is it? 2 yeah, it's here. 2 I think it's somewhere here. Yeah, I have to find out form. It's wrong form. Form with options. I did it once. Okay, let's take a book in our hand and try to find out some how it would be. Yeah, I found already. Yeah, it's option value. Option value. It seems. Select name. So it's even without input type. It's a select. Okay, okay. Select name. How it would be? Choice. And option values. And select here close. And option volume. Too big. Yeah, let's US. Let's my number bigger. No, it will be here. Option. Let's check, would it work? Actually, it has to be HTML, so print here. Let's choose it. Yeah, but it's actually a wrong one. I wanted another. Oh my god, I can't find it. Where is it? All these input types, it's just... Okay, I found. It's radio. It's called radio. So it's input type after all. Okay, we would make input type. I learned in UK recently Ctrl D. It's just clone current stroke, so it's pretty cool. Radio. Oh yeah, we could made it easier, but as always I forgot about it. So we will create 3 radio buttons which we could choose. Okay, let's make it like this. And value. So just bigger. But something like this it has to be. It seems so. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Big. Name. Oh no, it would be Guess. Name. Oh. My choice. It's my choice. So my number is bigger, big, small. Got it. Ah, no, we can't do it like this. Let's do it like this. Camel case. Okay. Choice. It's also it's all choices. Yeah. Wait. It's all input types. It's all radio. And variable would be choice everywhere. Big, small, okay. My number bigger, dude. Made. You got it. It cannot be. Okay. So let's. Yeah. And now we need a button. We need submit button. It would be here. As always, I do not remember these buttons. Input type. Button. Value. Submit. It's my guess. As always. Let's check. Is it right? No, it's put type submit. Yeah. And tell him. So tell him. Chew. Chew. Cool. We did it. So now let's do something bigger. Ah, wait. Also we need a place to store our stuff. And this would be another forms. It would be hidden forms, because the hard place in my program that I can't use databases or sessions. I could use only hidden forms. And because actually in my book I didn't come to sessions and databases yet, so I'm doing my homework, and it has to be something like this. Input type hidden. So what do I need to store? I need to store this, and yeah, his guess and mine guess. I need to store two guesses. Put type hidden. Value. Oh, name. Choice. Value. choice. So what we would have here, we would take value from here and save it here. Yeah, that's how it has to be done. Yeah, but it's first thing, it's choice and computer what guess. So it's harder, this program harder, because we need also computer, he has to be smart. Okay, so at the beginning, computer tell us, oh, what I did, okay, he tell us, your number is guess, which is function to run it from 1 to 100. Yeah, but it's only for the first time. No, is your number like this? Tell me, friend. And we have a mistake. And it's somewhere in the beginning, I think. Okay, let's use concatenations. So we do not need this. Guess random. So he do not like it. I do not like you. Okay. Let's define this first. Guess. We could do it like this. Okay. It's not trouble. No trouble. Aha. What the fuck? Ah, I see. You see these spaces. If you have spaces after here, you trapped. Okay. We need to create some bursts. So it will be beautiful. Ta-da! And here also. Nice one. But here it's smaller, much smaller, mate. No, it will be like this, much smaller. Here guess. This guy he guess. But he has to guess only first time, so it has to be like if this empty, guess. If guess empty, then if guess empty, then he generated. Yeah. But else it has to be taken from other stuff. So we have a trouble, if yeah, we have another trouble. Oh my god, you're mad. If empty, okay, if empty, great. So we generated it first time. Because we do not have anything. So now he stored, you see? He stored. It's good, it's good, it's good. So it works as intended for now. So now we have a number which he generated the first time. But when we say that it's bigger or it's smaller, next number which he has to show has to be like different. Okay. It's not easy to do, but we'll try. So okay, so if it's empty, he would do this, else he would do the different stuff. We need some ifs around. So if guess less no. If choice big, it's stroke, it's not true. Oh, false. So it has to be like this. It has to be the same type, right? So I think so. If choice big, then so yeah, if choice, and then do this. We need 3 variants here. Ah, no, we need one. If and then else. Else if. And then else. Yeah. So we have construct. If choice is big, if it's too big, if I said that it's too big, it has to make it less. Print guess it's interesting. He has to print something less than he had previously. Oh my god, my head is going to explode, guys. Actually, it's interesting quest. So I need 1 second, guys. I want to create some paintings. Paint, please. Paint. Thank you. So, oh, Штукенце! We have Штукенце here. Hello. No, it's me. It's the same me. I'm sorry.
Don't do it, I might be naked.
You are not naked right now.
Yeah, but I might be.
But you're not?
I'm not.
Yeah. I'm trying to do it right. She's almost here. Okay. So, guys. Now we have a Stukensi. Stukensi in the house.
Привет. Смотрите, что у меня есть.
Hello, Stukensi.
Hello.
We have stream in English, by the way.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Okay. So, guys, let's try to imagine this. This is just so fail. I do not need to imagine it. I need to just do it now. Let's drink something. Stukensi, could you bring me some strong ale or vodka or something else? Why are you? Why? What?
You're very funny.
I am why funny? I am funny. How I'm funny?
You're very funny.
Why I'm funny?
I don't know. You're just funny.
My picture is funny
No, you are inside of you.
inside of me. Okay, please bring me something to drink.
No.
To drink, please.
Хочешь кефиру?
And also, персик дашь мне? So, guys, let's continue. So, for example, our choice is too big. Okay. Our choice is big. Then computer guessed. By the way, computer, it's better for him to guess always 50 first time. Yeah, he's not stupid, right? Oh, thank you. And what about persiks? What about...
Мне неохота.
Сядь, чтобы попа была ровно.
Нет, я могу.
Давай. I'm sorry, guys. Some organization questions has to solve with my employer.
I'm your pet.
Write your program.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
You have to write user interface. You are professional after all.
What? What is this? Okay.
Okay. Okay, Hakei.
Okay.
One second, I'll make Stukensi looking better. It's funny. Stukensi, is it possible to make you look better?
No, I'm perfect.
I make you so big, like an elephant.
No, please don't do it.
Do you want to be like an elephant?
No,
But I'll make you like an elephant.
no, don't do it.
You'll be like a huge elephant.
Okay.
Okay. You could check yourself how you look like. You're a huge elephant, by the way. Okay, Stukensi. Don't mess my serious stream. Okay, so computer guessed 50. Then I told him that it's too big. What he has to do? He has to make it smaller. How? So next number, he has to generate next number less, much less. Actually, it has to be like, yeah, it has to be 50. Yeah, it has to be divided by 2, of course, or multiplied by 2. Okay, I see. So if then guess if it's too big, divide by 2, please. If no, else if choose small. Oh, then multiplied by 2, right? Ah, no. Wait. We have to create a formula, actually. So here we have to divide by 2. Okay, because it would be like 25. Okay, let's imagine how it would look like. 25. Then, if I again say that it's too big. Oh my god, it has to be not so silly. And what if I'll say after big, I'll say it's too small. So now he say 25. And then I say, oh dude, it's too small. I say it's small. Small. It has to be M. Small. Small. So it's between 25 and 50. Then he has to, if he just multiply it by 2, it will be back to 50. It's wrong. It has to be to go like U. It has to be in the middle between first guess and second guess. So he has to remember his first guess and second guess. Oh my god. Okay. So if guess 1 empty. Oh my god, I just imagined how much guesses it would be. It's wrong, it has to be easier. So as you can say, I have a powerful program here. It's not cool. I do not know how to do it without I could do it with huge amount of variables. Maybe create array. Array! You know? Hooray! Array! Yeah. So if 25 is too small, it has to take something in the middle between 50 and 25. So then it would be 50 plus no, it would be 50 yeah, 50 plus 25 and how divided by 2, right? Yeah. But to do so, he has to remember this and this. How he could remember it? We could create an array. It's actually my first time when I have to create an array for my quest, for my game, for my program. I didn't use here arrays in my previous coding experience, only here, but here it was like so stupid and nothing really interesting. So here we need to create an array. Oh my god, it's so scary because it's my first time in my life. It's like first sex, you know, что can say.
Yeah.
It's like first sex when you use your first, you create your first array in your program. It's just so волнительно.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's so exhilarating. Oh my god. How to say it?
Exhilarating.
Exhilarating. Okay. No synonyms to this word. It's actually too awful. I do not like it. Yeah. What the freaking... Okay. I'm first time seeing this word in my life. Exhilarating. Okay. Let's talk about etymology of this word. because yeah, we're not only learning how to code, we're learning English. Wiki. Could we have wiki? Wiktionary. Yeah. Right. Why this word exists in this world? Word. Okay. Nobody knows. Okay, maybe this one. Exhilarate. I know hilarious. What's hilarate? It's like very funny. But hilarate, no such word. And exhilarate, yeah. Accelerate, it's like to make everyone so happy. Why then? Accelerating, it's wrong. It's not волнующий. No, it's wrong. In Russian we have word волнующий. It means like it's from it's from known worry, but not worry. Agitating, I think, yeah, agitating. So, волнующий, it's also agitated. Yeah, I think it's agitated. Not accelerating. It's wrong translation. Okay. So, guys, I forgot why I looked for it already, but still. The problem is, yeah, that we need to create an array. It's very agitating to create an array, actually. We would create an array where we would store all our guesses. So this array has to have array 7. Why 7? It's easy peasy, because in our conditions we have this stroke. Your algorithm has to guess any number faster than for 7 turns. So 7 spaces in our array is enough, I think. Okay, we created our array. Now we have to put stuff in this array. Okay. It's like this. Let's put it into. So I'll use not where. Oh my god, it's so hard to use this. If it's empty. Wait. It has to be array like. I do not remember syntaxes. So array guess 7. Okay. If guess 0 empty, then guess 0 50. Okay. Then I do not know, would it work ever, or it's just nonsense. Yeah, everything broken. Line 4, because array, he do not like this stuff. Because yes, I need to remember how to create arrays. Okay, I'll do it. Where we could watch it? Not here even. There is no arrays at 10. What's up, Janus? Hi, how are you? I am learning how to code in PHP to create a game. It would be great, super game. Guess a number. Guess a number, it's called. So now I'm trying to understand how to create arrays. How to create arrays? Do I have this here? No. No, we do not have. It's a race. Okay. Now DCH. It's not hacking US elections. Not again. I already finished it, and it's not so interesting. Now we're creating a super pooper game. Oh my god! We're creating actually very easy elemental game. Computer would try to guess to understand what we're thinking of. We guess a number and computer try to understand what we're guessing. This beautiful girl, she drinking magical milk. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. She's so happy. It's the most happy hamster ever. Do you like hamsters? I have one. He living with me and very very happy hamster actually. You know, actually it's not just it's not just a regular hamster. You know, it's flying hamster. Take a look. Ooh! I'm flying hamster. Do you like to fly? Yeah. Okay. Great. Okay, she is happy hamster. But we continue our fight with a race. It's actually not easy thing for such newbie as me. I am really stupid piece of meat. Okay, array 6. It has to be like this. But we would learn, I hope, one day. And we would come to the next state. DCH, don't be rude, dude. Okay. Oh, we created this array. And it's really broken, this program, you see. It doesn't just freaking work. Okay, it worked. Great. Let's try to architect it somehow. So we created array. It's empty. If it's empty, we would generate first element of this array. It would be 50. Then program, if we could choose, is it bigger or smaller? Oh, no, I do not have this fetish DCH. No. No, thank you. It's very nice of you to suggest it, but no thanks. Okay, but if you have a beautiful wife by yourself, we could take her in our company. Oh, hamster become alarmed. What? What? What happening? Hamster, be calm and carry on. DCH asked, do you guys still murder gays in Russia? It's pretty hard question, you know, because it's bad things. We have bad things in this area. Actually,
you look like nice
yeah.
Who you look like?
How I look?
You look like Elon Musk.
And look at
he was making a presentation about Mars spacecraft.
And people asked him.
And girls raise a hand and say, I have a question. And he said, now I finished my presentation, you can ask a question, please, guys. And a girl raised a hand and asked, dear Elon Musk, can I please come to the stage and give you
a kiss?
A kiss.
Yeah.
Good luck kiss. And he was like,
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, guys, you see, we have very. Actually, we are in our family. We are very tolerant and European like persons. But in Russia, we have this problem. A lot of people, they are not tolerant at all. Tolerant. And if you are gay and you would come to Russia, you have to be careful. Do not show anything which could make people understand that you are gay, because you for real could have some troubles. So it's serious questions, and we have this problem in our country. Some of you could say, oh, it's cool, but actually I think it's not cool at all. I think it's bad, because all people, they're beautiful and good, and if somebody do not mess you, if somebody do not make something bad things happening to you, he is good. So yeah, and it's not my business who do what. Yeah. So guys, let's continue, because it's political questions and this stuff, it's good, but we need to solve our puzzle. We need to solve our puzzle. We need to create our game. Janus, thank you. Cool. So, Hamster, what are you doing? Hamster?
I'm okay.
You're okay. Are you doing JavaScript?
No.
No. Okay. Whew. We have array. We created array. So let's be serious. And we have choices. Choices are very easy. It's not arrays, but we have guesses. So if guess then guess 0. Yeah, let's create. We could create that cycle maybe. Actually, it could be very hard. So we could try to create array, but I do not see it. Oh, it's good. WP King, thank you for telling us. I'm learning English actually, so thank you very much for correction. For me, it's important to write. Let's make it even like this. Okay. Yeah. So now I think all sentences legit. Okay, what do you think? My number is bigger. Yeah, in Russia we do not have this is. So in Russian language we have мой номер больше. We do not have is in our sentences. That's why it's how to understand. Is it Russian person you speak with or not? Russians, they very often they do not use this stuff, and also they do not use articles, or how to be article. Article, no. Yeah, I think article. Okay, like the. We do not have this. It's in Russian language. That's why. Yeah. So let's do it, guys. We could do it. Maybe create switch case. So let's do it like this. Okay. So if choice big, then. Okay. Oh my god, guys, with this errors, this game, this program, okay, this game become much harder. Because I don't know even how to summon. Could I put here arrays? Could I put here arrays? I don't know how to do it actually. And in this book, which I'm learning it, there is nothing about it. Just nothing. But I like hard way. So we create array. It's empty. If first one empty, then we would give it a value. Then if guess, yeah, we could create just big program. It would be big. There would be 7 ifs. I thought maybe it's possible. Yeah, I know how to do it, but I thought maybe it's possible to make this look nice. Maybe it's possible to make this program with using cycles, but I do not see it. It's something just I do not see how to use it. Okay, let's do it like this. Guess if choice big, then was 0. It's it's very straightforward approach to do these ifs for each array number. It would make our program huge like an elephant. If somebody knows PHP, please you could advise me something. Is it possible to do not make so much ifs? How we would have to do right now? Okay, because I do not see another option. Okay, let's do stupid way first. Okay, stupid way first, and then we will try smart one. If it's smaller, I just hate myself for doing such stupid way thing. But maybe it's how it has to be. No, there wouldn't be else. Would be else if. Got it. You won. Oh wait, too much else ifs. So oh, no, it was right. Stupid me. Yeah, let's be serious for some time. Let's be serious. First block. But where to... Ouch. Ouch. What the fuck? I closed it. Accidentally I closed my program or what? Yeah, I closed it. Okay. It still works, at least. How to put here a massive into field? Yeah, he do not like it. Because it's not one value, it's a lot of values. Maybe we could use a variable here. Like variable x. Which would be a counter. Yeah. Ah. No. Maybe like this. Okay. It's wrong. It's wrong. I do not know how to put arrays to the value. What's 0? He has to start working already. Ah. Just to print here guess. Ah, it's not print here, but wow. He do not generate. Maybe he generated. Ah, it's array, so we need. Ah, okay. Yeah, work with arrays, it's actually not so easy. Especially if you do not know how to work with them. I worked with arrays only in cycles, I didn't create so stupid freaking... If it's empty, then and then is it possible to just print number from array like this? How to print number from array? I'll take another book. Do you know? Knopf. Okay, I see. I'm looking into the book how to print array. I'm looking for it. What the freaking Tritirkin. Okay. Yeah, it's a lot of pain sometimes. PHP array. How to print them? I know about wordump, but it would show everything. I need just to show something small thing. There has to be a function, something like this, to print. Yeah, return me. Ah, no, it's return from function. Maybe list. Print R. Okay. Oh, it's wrong. I think we did it. No. Printer. No. What about this? Okay. Let's wordump. Wordump array. We need to solve this puzzle. So, we created array. Okay. Integer 7. Is that what? Okay, it's my mistake. Whew. Okay, it's my mistake because it's not like this. It has to be. Let's create empty array. What then? Integer 50. Okay. If this number, it's length of this integer there. So array 1. Okay. If there is no 1, yeah, like this. If empty guess there is no 1, k1, then give this number. Printer, please. Yeah, it works. You see, it works. 50. Ah, well, it worked previously even. Okay. Yeah, no, it's 7. Why it didn't work previously then? Okay, again. Yeah. Okay, I see. So, we created an array. We would use this for understanding how this works. So let's put it somewhere here, just for debugging. Is your number 50? Let's put it here. Okay, it's better. So we created array. Hooray, we created array. Now how we could store this array? Yes, we have to store it. This 50 we have to store. We have to store this array, just array. It's called array 1. Yeah. Yes, how? Array to value. Input type value array. Let's Google it. Array. There is no. It's not. It's wrong. Also, stack overflow. Stack overflow. Yeah, that's what I need. Name result and two of this stuff. Ah, okay, I see. Has to be like this. It's not an easy program. What I could say. Why when I choose something it doesn't do anything? Choice big. Where's 50? I'm not sure that we are doing the right thing here, guys. Okay. But at least we do something. So then do not print. But added to array was 1 which is Mm-hmm. So, I'm not sure that it's stored here. Let's check. Choice. It doesn't store it. See? Had this trouble previously. Form. It's not really good question. Okay, let's check here. Okay, let's put this form action. Previously it didn't work. Maybe it's because of this stuff. Okay, let's close all stuff. Yeah. Form action. And it's form action 17. No, it doesn't take anything even. Choice. It has to take choice. So, where are we headed? Yeah. Form action post. I had here different forms, too much even. So, right, it's old one. Oh, wait, okay, it's formed here. Let's put it here, this form. Action, form. Form. There would be another form. I hate these forms. Saving something in them, it's just so freaking awful, but it seems it works, okay. After I did something. Value small, okay, it's safe. Here array. Okay, it works. Okay, it's a big victory. Let's start again. Why it gives 50 again? From 25. Okay, and it started to work, you see, but it's do this too. Why? If empty Wes, it's not empty already. You see, it has something, but it still summoned this stuff. Okay, we could do another thing. Okay. If why it doesn't work? It has to work. If quest 1 empty, then print please. But now it's not empty. When we second time summon this program, GUES already has. So first time it's okay, then again. So first time it's empty, and it showed. So after I'll do it, I'll create new element in array, GUES 1. Ah, okay. It's because it goes after. Okay, it's PHP go from high point to lower point. I mean, from up to the bottom, from here to here. So at that point, it's not exist yet. I see. Oh my god, it's freaking funny. So what? Okay, it's easier to do something like this. Yeah, it has to work actually, but it doesn't because it's not. Yeah, because if okay, let's do like this. If but if I want to, it's not empty actually. It's not empty. So okay. Yeah. If I just want to do something different. I know easy way. I understand easy way, but I want to make it a bit just nice, so it wouldn't be so stupid. I could. Okay, let's make stupid thing. Wait, but we have not only empty, we have other function. I have it somewhere. I wrote Ah, yeah, here. Here I have my programming book. Stukense created for me. So beautiful. Hamster, how are you? So, oh my god, it's not possible to read it. Just like take a look. I need to mark it somehow. It's just not possible to read it at all. So there is two ways of checking is it empty or not. Empty and also is set. Yeah, we need is set. Guys, it's genius. Is set. Yeah. Woohoo! We did it. So. Fuck. Why? 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 Okay. This was funny. So it's also already, it's also set. It's integer here. Integer value. But wait. Okay, Control F5. Again. If is set guess 0. When I just started, here it's not set. Look. It's also okay. It has something. It has okay. Let's make it like this then. Freaking. Okay. I have to define array actually. Or not. Wait. I like it set. But I want to put like this, yeah. Why it doesn't? Again. Could we have war down, please? So array empty. It's totally empty. Then why it do not? Because it hasn't even 0 thing. Okay. I see. Yeah, now it works. So if array isn't set, then give it something. Guys, we did it! Yay! It's small victory, but it's a victory. So now everything. Fuck! What the fuck? Is set. If it's true, but it's set, yes. So no. If empty. Yeah. Okay. Okay, he thinks that maybe it's an array. It's array, mate. Dude, it's array. Trust me. Ow. I had to use easy way, but I tried to understand, okay. Is this array empty? It's not variable, dude. It's array. I mean that it's array. But he could think that it's a variable, or no? Yeah, you see? The problem. The problem is to give him understanding that I mean array, dude. Okay, we could. We can't. If empty Where's 0? Actually, it has to work. Maybe I mistake as always. It's still empty. Then it stops of becoming empty. Yeah. But here it's empty. Here it's not empty. Why it doesn't work then? Чпык. If it's if print, and that's it. It has to stop printing this thing. Maybe if you think that it's not exist, then if empty true, then do it, and it means true because it's just freaking true. Okay, I see, it's my mistake. Is set then. I had to use easy way, guys. I had to use easy way. Why I freaking started this war? It was so freaking stupid. Why I started this war? I had to go to the easiest way.
You will do it.
Okay, I had to do it. She said that I'll do it. He do not like this stuff. I need to drink. We're trying to go different way. What about is set? How it works? Yeah, I want to understand this also. True, yes. False, no. No, I need to use empty, not is set. Empty it's for values, and is set it's for values, and empty it's for, I mean, values in array. Okay, let's go again. Is set. Yeah, it's was value given to the variable. Empty is variable empty. Usually set has to work also. We're stuck in this simple place, but okay. What to do? Okay, I think we could switch to easy way, guys. Which I could do at the beginning. So easy way. I do not want to do it. No easy way here. Now. Okay. If guess empty, then that has to work. Because then actually this has to work. What the fuck? Okay. Empty, if empty array. Array PHP. I'm not the first one who was freaking mind blown. False, false, false. In different versions of PHP it will be different. Oh my god. This has to work like this. Okay. No, it's empty. He said do. Let's check something else. If empty. But it's empty. What the fuck? I'm trying to understand why we have this problem. It's not true. Empty determines is a variable doesn't. If a variable doesn't exist. Okay. How they do it? They do it like this. You see? Okay. Okay, so we have problem somewhere else. Why he print it? Why he print it? Is array. Count, yeah. But it's not my case. Not empty. It's really freaking a lot of different variants and okay, let's use isArray. I hate these examples, they're not really understandable. Okay, let's do not go too fast. do not work at all. Variable is an array. Is array variable guess? It's not. Then do it. This is array. Okay. Is array. Yes. Ah. Ah, it's different. It's variables. It's a different thing. I stuck it, you see, it's very freaking stupid place. It's just really stupid place. And what it showed me, what the experience, which experience do I have from it? And could I learn something from this stupid thing? Maybe learn that easy way it's best way, and other way it's bad way. Why this doesn't work for me? Ah, it wouldn't work because I will have. Ah. It has to be to give false. I tried already this. Now it's not empty, but it still bring it here. No, it's if. It's if. I need help. Anyone. Why it's freaking doesn't work? If this is true, it would be true. It would be true. Because it's not, yeah. It has to work also. But it doesn't. Okay, let's go back to my previous stuff. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay. Where we was? Here, I think. Then, if empty, cache, then cache. What the difference? Maybe I missed something. No. No idea. I just do not understand. 50 and 25. We have here 50 and 25. If this is empty. Okay, let's go easy way. I just... It has to work also, by the way. If it's false, then do this stuff. This if doesn't work. Let's go to this easy way, which I thought would be easy way. I do not know even right now is it would be easy way. You see, it isn't this problem. It's problem with something else. Okay, it's not this mistake. So it's not this mistake. It seems I tried to fix wrong mistake. We have problem with this stuff, I think. No, maybe like this. No, it's right 25 and it's 75. If we wouldn't print it, what would happen? Oh my god! You see? Freak. Ah, okay, it's not here, if I wouldn't print here. And then... Okay. Ah! Wait. Wait, nah. Why it's still printing it? It hasn't to be in this freaking if. It has not. Dobby the house elf. Штукенция. Looking for the bug in our supper. This one makes bad things. Yeah, we could not use printer. We could do it like this. Будь здоров, Штукенс. God bless you. This if doesn't work. It's like put it here. See, I do not understand. I do not understand why. Why it's like this. I need PHP help. Why it's still doing it? Штукенс, иди сюда. Нужна помощь, потому что я не замучился, я не знаю, в чем дело. У меня почему-то не работает вонючий этот тыф. Вот смотри. Just take a look. I have here program. So, смотри, вот смотри. Я ее запускаю. Видишь, тут нет числа никакого. И он генерирует вот это число тут. В массиве создает. Скотина. Теперь я добавляю его, чтобы он тут написал. Вот это число из массива. Вот он его пишет. Но суть в том, что тут стоит if. Если вот это число, оно пустое, тогда он берет и вот его присваивает и генерирует. Да.
Если не пустое. Else.
А мне не нужно else. Тут else ни при чем-то. Сейчас. Он просто может по ифу пройти. Если if не подходит, он дальше идет. А вот. Но смысл в том, что проблема в чем? Что в дальнейшем, когда я выбираю какое-нибудь число, он почему-то это сохраняет. Он снова идет и печатает это.
Мне кажется, потому что изначально-то он empty, пока ты не выбрал.
Да, он сначала empty.
Поэтому он уже присвоил ему эту фигню, что бы ты ни делал. Даже если ты потом выбрал, он все равно сначала присвоил, потому что изначально он был пустой. Потому что у тебя сначала...
Но он уже не пустой, я же его сохраняю.
Ну, смотри,
вот он сохраняется.
Подожди, заново запусти.
Вот. Вот он сделал. Видишь,
сейчас
вот,
пустой.
вот. Он был пустой и сразу ему присвоил.
И сразу уже присвоил. Теперь, что бы ты ни нажал, он уже присвоил 50.
Ну, он присвоил 50. Смотри,
как
если...
ему расприсвоить 50?
Так мне не нужно ему... Он уже не стал... Я ему присвоил, он уже не пустой. Если он не пустой, он не будет выполнять это.
Я понимаю, но ты когда запустил новую программу, она же идет вот так.
Ну да, идет.
Он сначала присвоил это число, потом пошел дальше. Почему он вернется-то? Или нет?
Сейчас, подожди. Может, правда, из-за этого? Просто каждый раз, когда я ее запускаю, у меня есть скрытые поля, в которых это все хранится.
Да.
Слушай, ты умная свинья, мне кажется, ты права, хотя я не уверен. Все попробуем. You see, it's good to have a hamster. Чего?
Я тоже не уверен.
Пробуем. Не. Не. Shit, still freaking unbelievable. Да, слушай, ты права, я думаю. Он не сохраняет массив вот сюда. Вот эту херню он сохраняет, а массив не сохраняет. Блять, и как-то сохранить. So guys, we're trying to understand. Shtukense helped me. She is very nice hamster. So you see, I opened these forms. It was hidden. I made them open, and I'm trying to understand. Is it possible to put? Actually, is it possible to put array into the form? I'm not sure. So it's my problem, actually. It's not this thing. My problem is saving array to the hidden form. So back to business. To hidden field. Fuck. Last time it was the same problem with this hidden field. I hate them. I hope we would pass them and would start working with databases. This hidden field is just freaking unbelievable. Ah! Okay. Okay, let's check. Guess. No, it has to be down. It has to be down. It has to be down. Let's make a text to control it. Just, we do not need to use hidden fields at all. Yeah, now it works, it seems. No, Shtukense, you wasn't right here.
Yeah.
But it was good. It was good try. We save this array, you see. It seems so. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm a bit tired. Need to go to work, I think. It's not a good idea maybe to hide in these fields arrays. Maybe it put, maybe if array put something to the hidden field, he put it like, we take it from here, maybe it just look like this then. Maybe it's a problem with this freaking, I hate them, hidden fields, with fields. Just put something to the, yeah, it's mistake. Did you need the value of array element? Alex, hello. I have problem. I'll tell you. What's the problem we have? We have condition at the beginning. If we have empty array, then give first element, 0 element, 50. It's very good. You see? It works. So when we come first time to the website, we give this array and it become 0 become 50. 0 index k become 50. Then we say that okay, my number is bigger, and we create another number, but here we have, it has to be 25, but we have 50. It's like this if doesn't work, but if works. Yeah. So the problem is, we believe that when we send our stuff to the field, when we send our stuff to the field, send array, we have to store our values, our array in these hidden forms. So when we store our hidden values in hidden form, and we took it from there back, it makes such mess. Yeah, I can't take 0 here because I have a lot of keys. There would be lots of keys, like 7. So we have this problem and no idea how to solve it. Is it possible to check what we have here in this array, in this field? Because in HTML it just show you, okay, I have array here, but it do not show it what he got actually. I do not know how fields store arrays. No idea. I tried like this, but it doesn't help. No idea. You see, 50-25. Yeah. Hidden forms, it's really awful thing. What I could say. Let's check what people say about it. So array, then hidden forms. We could create a lot of hidden forms for each array type. Maybe it's not the only way. I think we have something like this. let's create a lot of hidden forms to solve our puzzle for some time. Ouch. Now let's create a lot of hidden forms with all types of classes. So was 0, was 1, was 2, 3. For now, let's create just a bit. Enough. I'm not sure that it would work, but what to do? To make our code freaking better, but yeah. Okay, so so we stored here 50, here 25. Good one. Now I need to think about my life. Yeah, I did the same. Hi. You think 0, but yeah, let's think a bit. I need to think. I need to understand what's the point of my life. What's the problem? So first I'll think and then I'll ask some more questions. If we do not have number in Glass, we give it 50. So we have 50 here. So it become not empty. Yeah. So now we add second value to the array, 25. And it write everything. Maybe we still need to move this stuff. Maybe we need to move these hidden arrays up. Okay. Let's do it again. As you can suggested. Nah. You see, it wouldn't store them at all. So why he printed again? If empty glass, it's not empty already made. Yeah, I'll make big debug. Just huge debugging. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah, we do not need it. Yeah. So it's empty. Then it's not empty. I do not understand what is what. Okay, let's remove some bursts. It's too much. Do not understand anything. So. Trying to understand it. It's empty. Okay, and then we put this. Why it's empty? Maybe because I created here. So we would solve our problem right now. Fuck. I do not know when I'll learn. Guys, when I'll learn that PHP works from up to bottom. It's just freaking unbelievable how I just... Fuck. Ah. Now it doesn't work. Why? Again. Wait. Back to business. Ah, no, it's the same thing. I thought it would be something different. It's the same. The same. We have empty array. It's empty. Write 50. Okay, he wrote 50. Then we say, okay. And we already have array, it's not 0. That's array, it's not, why it's 0 here? Why it's 0? Fuck. I understand my mistake, where is it? Because when I create this array, it like give it, okay, it would be a new array, dude. So that's why I have to put array, like here. Ah, but it still would, fuck. Would still create it when we initiate this. Or not? Yeah, this thing makes all bad things to us. Let's put copy of these things here. Black Timber, hello guys. What do you mean? Okay, I see some suggestions. I'll read them. You saw, Timber, I'm trying to solve trouble. That's why I moved this array here. Yeah, because I have big trouble here. And it's still the same. If I move this array here, it's still the same situation. It has to be there. Okay, it was there. But if I move it there, it would be the same situation. Okay, let me discuss trouble. Maybe Timber would help me. Alex, I can't use sessions. I can't do it because at my book I didn't went there. I could only use hidden fields. It's my problem. So Timber, what the problem? I hope you could help. If you could, please, I beg you, because I spent so much time already in it and no result. So the problem is, I have a game which give me, I could choose a number in my head, like okay, 75, and computer try to understand what is the number. So is he asked, is it 50? And I could tell him like, no, my number is smaller. And then I create new variable in array, and I even do not know how to describe it already. I just my head smashed. So the problem is that he still do put 50. He has do not do it, but he do it, and just this array, it's empty, but he still continue to complete it. Yeah. So if we would take our debugging thing, why guess would be always empty? Yeah, but I save it here in these fields. So redefine it. I put my values to the hidden fields. This one, or they are not hidden right now. If I put them up like this, if I put them up, they do not store anything. They store only if they're at bottom. Yes, I did this thing and it resets array, it seems. That's why I moved it from here to here. But it's still it's still resetted, you see? If even I put my thing which define array from 0, it still do it. And now, yes, and now if I move it here, it also would be always true. So what to do? How to do? I'm using post. Post. I'm using post. So I have this problem. Save guess inside as a hidden variable. I have it here, you see? I save guess. I save it every time. And it's these fields, I made it visible. So first is 50, second is 75. these things with I do not use it yet, these things. I do not use them because I do not have it in my book yet, so I can't use it. The idea of this exercise, of this lesson, to use only hidden fields to store this stuff without these sessions and this stuff. So these things, I do not know what does it mean even. This post, it's like internal variable, something like this. I do not have it yet. So yeah. In my book it said that it's possible to do like this. You see, I put it here, okay. Print. It doesn't store anything, it seems. It stores only at the bottom, in bottom fields. Nothing. Post guesses. Nah. Okay. Alex. Let's take Alex's advice this time. Yes, I do it. So nothing in post here, but now we have in post this stuff. So it means that it do not put our stuff anywhere. I have submit here. You pass choice, you need to pass last class. I do not understand, what do you mean? But I want to store all guesses. I store guesses as elements of array. So my array would have first guess, second guess, third guess, and so on. And I store them in this array. You see, it's here. I print my array. So I put it and I have two stuff in my array, two elements. No idea. Where do you hidden inputs? They are below. Maybe I has to put it. I have two forms. Maybe I has to put it to previous form. Let's try. Nah, you see? Then I do not store anything. Then I do not store. Okay, let's get some more post-it. Just for your fun. I put one array, then array, then array. So here it's empty, but when I push the K, seems. But here it's hidden field. It shows in hidden field. So you see my values, they just do not go to these hidden fields. They do not go to hidden fields. So this form, if to put it up, it wouldn't help. I tried it. Inside this form, okay. Then it's just become broken. It's just become broken. I see it, because it has to change these numbers. Okay, let's go back. The problem is, I see it. Problem is with these forms. Problem with forms, they do not give information. So these freaking forms, they are wrong. Has been okay. Has been. And what to do then? Save, new, save. I've sent it. Or maybe not. I'll open Twitch chat to send it. Yeah, I just hate these hidden forms. It's just worst thing ever. But my book based them currently. I put an URL to this fast pin. So. We could make it easier without this. We could make like, if it's a new game, like create a variable. But anyway, without saving to the forms, our program wouldn't work. So in any way, we need to do it. So it go here, you see, to this form. When we make a choice, it put there. Actually, I'm a bit tired because when you do something for 2 hours and it didn't work, this small mistake, just a bit disappointing. But I tried a lot of stuff. I just need to finish with these hidden fields. And I hope soon we would go through it to the databases, to sessions, to be a bit easier. Maybe I need to read more. Okay, we have this thing from Timber. How to open it? Okay. So what you did here? Is set. I used this set previously. So what you did actually? Is set do not help. Inputs inside of the form. Okay, let's put it here also. No, it doesn't work. Even if we put them inside. Okay, let's try this one also. If I tried this set already. I do not like to use these posts because I do not have them in my book. It's not right approach. Then So okay, let's try it. Let's just try it. Maybe it would help. If not, I'll go back just. Has some mistakes, it seems. Up. If. You do not like something. I do not see the mistake. So guys, okay, I am done. I'll try another time. I'll go to work. No idea why it doesn't work. I'm interested if anybody knows why this code doesn't work. Please tell me. Okay, let me copy paste your code. Okay, I'll copy paste your code. Would be easy to try. You see, it has errors. I do not know where. Because I do not understand this stuff. Okay. Okay. You see, it still gives this error. It doesn't help. I saved it. I replaced it. No, it didn't help. So guys, what I could say, we have something unbelievable here that no one knows how to fix. If you know, please tell me in comment. What the fuck? So I'll save it in this haste bin. I'll put this below my video at YouTube at description. I'll put this link in the description. Please, if you could help me, I'll be very grateful, because it's actually like hell. This small error which just make you very sad person. So see you later. Thanks. Bye bye. Штукенцы.